That's driving her crazy that that thing won't go down. It's funny.
That thing is up. It's driving me nuts. I want it down. I want it down. I can't think about anything else. I'm going to hold it down with one hand because it won't stay down.
Is there... That's funny. It really actually bothers her greatly. Oh, she got it.
It was stuck in the middle. It wouldn't close.
Oh, now she's happy.
She's like, well, is it really close? Not coming back up.
Obsessive compulsive. Let her pull it a little. Pull it through. Let her pull it through. Let her pull it. She's getting bored because you're not letting her pull it.
No, I think she likes the teeter-totter.